I figured it out. I figured it out. I figured it out. Oh boy, let's talk about it. So in case you don't know what's going on, people were talking about how iPhone 15 is overheating, and I was saying it's not iPhone 15, it is Instagram causing the overheating, and once you heat up the phone with Instagram, the rest didn't matter. That's what I've been experiencing, and I've been sharing this ever since iOS 17 beta was released. Regardless of iPhone 15, 14, 13, iPad, it doesn't matter. As soon as you launch Instagram, it causes 1% battery drain per minute, and it heats the phone up to 114 degrees Fahrenheit, and that heat causes damage to the battery. I lost 2% battery health trying to understand what's going on, and I usually keep my phones in the pristine shape, and it's really bugging me that I lost that much battery health. But watch this. I hope I can show you what's going on. Let's turn on this camera. Okay, so this is my CPU monitor. Let's wait for it to calm down a little bit. I think you can see what's going on. So look at this very right side. I didn't prepare, by the way. I just finished this. I just figured this out. Now look what's gonna happen as soon as I bring Instagram in to the picture. Watch this side. It starts using crazy amount of CPU, and it's never ending. It's never ending. This is on iOS 17. When you switch to, this is iPadOS 17, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't make any difference. This is the same thing. So right now this iPad is heating up, and it's draining the battery. So that's what's happening. So when I switch, I was trying this. I was switching to my Turkish account to see what would happen, and nothing happens. It just keeps on going like that. The same thing happens. But a lot of people are saying they have no problem using Instagram on their devices. There's no overheating, no nothing is happening, which is really confusing. And we're all discussing whose fault is this? Is this iOS 17? Because we now know it's not iPhone 15 since it's happening on all of these devices. So is it iOS 17 or is it Instagram? And I'm always on the side, and I'm saying it's Instagram, because if any other app did that, as you can see, I have Spotify running here, this device. Let me turn the autofocus on. Oh man, this is gonna be a really bizarre video. Nothing. By the way, I had to deal with a lot of stupid stuff. This is the light. This is the sensor. So if you see me holding this, and if it's lighting up the table, it's because the sensor is down here. That's what I'm aiming. I read so many bizarre comments. And I think this has Uber running. Yeah, Uber has been running for a really long time, and we're stuck 82. Some people said your phone is heating up because it's in your hand. That's not the case. I ran other apps and it doesn't change. Look, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my settings, and I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna log into my Turkish account. As you can see, we're still going bananas over here. I'm gonna quit Instagram app, and now let's wait for the graph to go down a little bit. So the problem is not iOS 17, and they released an update today. Instagram released an update on Sunday in the middle of the night or something like that. I don't know what they're doing. They can't even make an iPad app. Why would I trust them? So now I'm gonna go back into my Instagram. Let's go to my account and bring this here, and let's see what happens. Everything went back to normal. So the problem is not iPhone 15. The problem is not iOS 17. The problem is not Instagram. The problem is you. It's your account. So whatever, I don't know, whatever Instagram is doing, look at this. So let's hold this down. Let's log into my other account. Boom. Look at that graphic. Look at that CPU usage. So whatever Instagram is doing, they're probably throttling me because I'm always full of truth and nothing else. I found myself in other people's videos, by the way. Thank you for having me there. But yeah, I figured it out. It's not the phone, it's not the iOS, because it happens on all devices. It is the account you have. So I'm unlucky to have this account on the burning side of Instagram. And that's why some people don't even understand what's going on, and we cannot explain it to them that our devices not only getting hot, not only getting drained, and because it's hot because of Instagram, everything slows down. It ruins everything on all of the phones. And then you need to charge your phone, and then because of the heat, the battery gets damaged. I seriously, if I was in charge, I would ban Instagram app right now from App Store until they figure out what's going on, because it's literally damaging. I mean, I experienced it with my the phone. So yeah, it is your account. You're the problem. But we knew that you were the problem. You're the problem. So for once, take responsibility. Look at that. I am burning my device just so you see what's going on over here. Okay, so yeah, if you like this, please share it with the people. Yeah, get me some exposure. I would really enjoy that. Thank you. Because you know me, I got hyper fixated. I was able to finish my iPhone review because day and night I've been thinking about this, and I figured it out. The problem is you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this helped, and show this to people, because a lot of people are trying to sensationalize this, like, oh, you're holding it wrong, you know, and stuff like that. Don't let them do this. Share the actual information. I have tons of stuff I shared on Threads. You can check that out as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Yeah, do I have anything else to say? Oh yeah, to everyone who said the logic board is not here in my previous video. That's where the logic board is. Someone even wrote, like, go watch iFixit's video. That's not where the logic board is. I am hyped. Now I'm gonna go and eat. And also some people say, am I gonna watch a 10-minute video about what I'm showing you in real time? Because there's a lot of skepticism out there. It's real time. Okay, I think I defended everything I can. Yeah, what can you do? Yes, okay. Here's what I did. Let me show you. You go to Instagram.com on your phone. You hit the up arrow, and then you select add to home screen, and then just put it on the home screen. It appears like this, and then use this until, this is a terrible solution, but until Instagram fixes it, I think you should use that, because even if you put your phone on the low power mode, which is what I suggested previously, it is still doing the best it can to ruin the phone. I also believe, now that we're looking out for heat, people are getting confused. While I saw some complaints that their phone gets hot while they're charging or they're FaceTiming, which is very normal. We're not talking about the phone getting a little bit warm here. We're talking about insanity. We're talking about, you know, something that is not okay. And also, I would like to thank Eliz Kılıç, who left a message on my thread saying, I wonder if it is the accounts. And based on that, I was switching back and forward in my accounts, but nothing was changing because all the accounts were logged in. When you log out of all the accounts, kill the app, go back to the app and log in with another account, then you're fine. And that's how I discovered it. So she kind of gave me the idea. So thank you very much. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else you want to say? Say it in the comment section below. I'm here. I'm reading your comments. Oh, wait. Before I go. Ooh. 103, 108. Giant iPad is suffering because of one puny, instead 110 degrees, Instagram app. Fix your stuff, Zuck. fix your stuff.